Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can remove app icons on your home screen. See, this is my Motorola mobile, right? And if you can observe my home screen here, this is not the app and this is also not the app. These both are the widgets. Few people likes to keep widgets on the home screen but not the app. See here, there are 1 2 3 4 5 application shortcuts on the home screen. If I want to remove, I can remove, and I can also remove these one, the bottom ones. To remove, simply press and hold for few seconds and drag. Okay, the action is simple: press and hold, then drag, and you will get removed. Don't leave it on the uninstall. Okay, this will uninstall the app from the phone. Just simple: press and hold, drag, and remove. For few mobiles, when you, this is Motorola, right? For few other mobiles, the action will be something like press and hold. At the top you will see some cross mark here, so you need to tap on this cross mark. Okay, and now I'll be showing you on the Realme mobile also. Yeah, see here, this is my Realme mobile. Okay, and here if I want to remove an app, press and hold. See here, as I said, the remove option is like this, so it will ask for the confirmation. Sorry, the battery is too low. Click on remove. Like this, you can just remove the apps on the home screen on different UI with different actions. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.